How's it going, officer?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good.
Mine's on too.
I'm sorry?
Just coming to see.
Oh.
You guys are, you're okay to film.
Oh, we're chilling.
Is there something we can direct you to or help you find?
I was looking for a post office.
The post office?
Uh-huh.
Do you know there's one on Boulder Highway?
No, I thought it was in here, but
I don't believe there's a post office.
the lady told me it was down there.
There's
So
one on Boulder Highway. So if you do you know this area?
yeah.
If you go down Basic Road, it's right next to the Walmart over there by Boulder Highway.
Cool. Thank you. I appreciate it. What was your name?
Officer Kesterson, right here.
Okay. Awesome. Thanks, man.
All right. I'll give you mine. My badge number.
Hi.
I'm actually a police officer. He's a security guard here.
Oh, it says police right there.
Yeah. But it says security underneath this badge.
Okay.
Is there someone else we can direct you guys to?
How are you?
Good.
We're just working on a video.
Oh, that.
Yeah.
Police.
What's your name again?
That's crazy.
Kesterson?
Gesterson. My name's Enrique. Just working on a video.
Awesome.
Is there anywhere where we can get the policies? Is he hired by the city or is
We're
it
both employees of City Henderson.
okay? Is it his policy to identify when?
For Henderson Police, it is myself.
The interaction begins respectfully inside a city building. The individual filming politely asks for directions to a nearby post office. The officer responds courteously and provides clear directions. At this stage, both parties remain calm and professional. The officer acknowledges that recording is allowed, which establishes an important foundation. Filming in publicly accessible government buildings is generally protected under the First Amendment, as long as it does not interfere with official duties. The conversation appears friendly and cooperative, showing that respectful dialogue can prevent unnecessary escalation.
I'm pretty sure it's also the same thing for security officers.
He's not a sworn officer.
I know, but you know, every job, it's just, even a Walmart guy walks around with, you know.
What's your name, sir?
Huh?
What's your name?
Oh, I'd rather not give it right now.
Okay, I got Enrique. Is there somewhere we can help you guys out with?
Oh, no. I'm just...
You're allowed to film him, that's
Right.
no problem, but it's just odd. It's not common, typical behavior for someone here.
It's not common to take videos.
Not in the manner you guys are doing it. That's what I'm saying. You're fine doing it. I'm just trying to see if we can help you out, direct you somewhere.
Oh, no. Like I said, we're good. Just taking shots. Enjoying my building.
Okay.
Yeah. You have a good one, though.
Thank you.
Is there anything illegal that is on you that I should be aware of? Any drugs? Anything you shouldn't have on you?
Illegal on me?
Any drugs or anything I should know about?
Why are you asking that?
Because your behavior is a little suspicious.
Okay.
Have you been drinking this morning? Is that a no? Yes? Maybe? A little bit?
Have you been able to film what you want to film here?
I'm sorry?
Do you have any other business in the city of Henderson?
I don't want to answer questions. I'm just doing my job here, so
Okay.
yeah.
What is your job, sir?
Like I said, I don't want to answer questions. You already said I can film. At this point now, we're going.
As the interaction continues, the filmer asks whether the uniformed personnel are city employees and whether identification policies apply to them. The officer clarifies that he is a police officer and the other individual is security employed by the city. The discussion centers around whether public officials must identify themselves when asked. This segment highlights an important civic concept: transparency in public service roles. While policies vary by department, many agencies require officers to provide identification when requested in a professional setting.
Fishing, and I don't like fishing, so I'm not going to answer more questions.
Okay.
Yeah. But you have a good day. Is there anything I can help you with?
Do you want to answer any questions? Because that I didn't answer questions then.
What was your name for the record?
Robert.
Robert. All right, cool. Thank you, Robert.
Thank you, Robert.
Hello.
Rick, do you mind contacting the police back to us at 200? Thank you, sir.
Why is that? Why is that?
Well, if you don't have any business, if you're not trying to conduct any business here in the city of Henderson, in City Hall, then you can't just loiter indefinitely.
Oh, I am conducting business.
Okay, not filming somebody's not conducting business. That's what I'm saying.
Of course it is. Of course it is, and it's protected by the First Amendment. Something you swore to protect.
I get it.
So, you obviously don't get it because now you're trying to find something to trespass us. So we haven't committed a crime. We're working, and you're being disorderly. So
Okay, great.
it's not great, sir. So why would you at first say that I'm allowed to record? Let's get this on the record. Because you did say we're allowed to be in here and record.
The officer later asks whether the individual has anything illegal on him and mentions that the behavior seems suspicious. The filmer chooses not to answer further questions, stating he does not want to engage in what he views as fishing for information. This moment illustrates a key legal principle. Individuals generally have the right to remain silent and decline voluntary questioning when they are not detained. The officer does not escalate the situation, and the exchange remains verbal. It becomes a practical example of how citizens can assert their rights calmly without confrontation.
But no, we're not. So can you explain that a little more, please? So let's see what you got to say. So for the record, am I allowed to record in here or not?
Yes.
Yes. All right. Thank you.
I think we've already answered that several times.
Yeah, but I just got confused because you said you just called someone. So, well, you didn't just say you actually did have your security call someone. And you said that,
I explained to you what it is already.
yeah, you said that
You can film here, but you have to.
if I have no purpose here, I'm loitering, and that's not the case. So that's what you called someone for loitering.
Fine.
So that's not fine.
But you understand what I'm saying.
What are you
You
saying?
just repeated back to me exactly what you described. So.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. And then you guys close Friday and Monday, right? Yeah.
Just working on it. You can come here, but you can't interfere with their ability. Okay? Just keep that in mind, guys.
He just called someone because we're loitering.
Are we loading? You can't film their screens. Okay.
Anything I can see from a public area, it's not considered interfering if she's not doing anything right now. Right? Yeah, I'm in a public area. So are you considering that our tax-paid job?
I understand what you guys are doing. You're here to do your audit.
And we have
checks.
no. This
I
is
get it.
no. This is our job for 7 years.
Awesome.
This is not just any YouTube video today.
Okay.
We have the right to be here. You're right. We don't have the right to interfere with her. Is there a reason why you're touching your firearm?
Turning point occurs when the officer mentions potential loitering if there is no official business being conducted in the building. The filmer responds by arguing that recording for news or public interest purposes qualifies as lawful activity. This raises a common debate. What qualifies as conducting business in a public building? Courts have often ruled that publicly accessible areas of government buildings are limited public forums, meaning expressive activity like recording may be allowed, provided it does not disrupt operations. The back and forth remains controlled but firm on both sides.
Or your weapon over here? Is there a reason?
That's how I stand, yes.
Would you feel comfortable if I was exercising my Second Amendment and I had my hand on my firearm?
This is how I'm standing, Enrique. We're fine.
I mean, I don't know that. You said we're loitering, right?
Yep.
I said that may be the case if you guys are here indefinitely.
How is it? Okay,
Let's speak
over here. So, specifically, how are we loitering?
Okay, if you're not going to conduct any business with anywhere, any department in the city hall,
Well,
can I
absolutely.
finish my answer before you're already starting to interject?
I haven't said a word, but go ahead.
Well, you were about to interject.
He's so triggered.
I was going to say that you're absolutely right. If we don't have any business, but what we're doing right now is official business that we pay taxes for. So this entire operation right here,
What official business are you doing?
we're exercising freedom of the press. These videos are being taxed. This is our job. We get pay stubs just like you, and then from those pay stubs, they take their cut and they pay your job.
Okay.
So, as long as we're not interfering, breaking the law, being disorderly, you have the right to be here. You cannot tell us that we're loitering. You're a police officer. It doesn't one each stripe represent like 4 years of service?
Yes, sir.
And you still can't, you still don't know what loitering is?
Not only that, but privacy of screens. He said you can't record screen. That's like
The officer explains that filming is allowed but cannot interfere with employees' ability to perform their work. The filmer maintains that standing in a public area and recording what is visible does not constitute interference. This clip emphasizes the legal distinction between observing, recording, and obstructing government functions. In many jurisdictions, simply filming from a publicly accessible area is lawful. However, blocking access, disrupting employees, or entering restricted areas could change the situation legally.
so basic.
Exactly. And sir, no disrespect, you may be a nice guy, but this is the reason that we do these videos. Because you're out there making sure that we know all the laws by the book, because it's not an excuse if we don't know it, right? And then it doesn't matter how nice you are, you have a job to do. So you just got to do it correctly, bro. We're just watching you. You're watching us, and we're watching you. So anytime you can legally catch me doing something illegal, I'll be more than glad to submit to whatever punishment I deserve.
That's for a judge if that ever got to that point. I don't.
Well, at this
impose
point,
punishments.
well, at this
how
point
the
right now,
criminal justice system
I
works.
understand, but
Okay.
the judge is not here right now, and you're the law enforcer. We come across a lot of law enforcers who think they're the judge, and they go and they take you to jail, and you're or maybe detained because there's a confusion. We don't want the confusion. It's the First Amendment. We have the President of the United States who just he just did something big protecting the Second Amendment. I say, President, you should do something big, bring in awareness on freedom of speech, because I support our president, and I support the law, but the law cannot be abused.
Why is it that most police officers, after realizing that civilians haven't done nothing wrong, they still try to find ways to harass them and violate their rights? It's like I always say, you can't trust the police. And this is why it is so important for you to know your rights and to help us to bring awareness to the rest of the public. So don't forget to support the channel by subscribing, like the video, and leave a comment to reach more people. And remember, always record the police.
The final portion reflects on the importance of understanding constitutional rights, especially freedom of the press and freedom of speech. The filmer argues that citizens should know the law just as officers are expected to enforce it correctly. While expressing frustration about past experiences, the overall takeaway centers on education and awareness. The key message is that knowing your rights and asserting them calmly and respectfully can help prevent misunderstandings and protect both citizens and officers during public interactions.